Hi, Nick here from Nick Bry. Today I would like to demonstrate my grit bag cleaning combo for you. It consists of 3 different items and I'm going to show you exactly how they work. The first one is my PVC bag. Now you will notice that I've added Velcro and eyelets. The reason for the eyelets is if you have rope at home, just tie it in so that you can hang it up wherever you like. Also a very big benefit for me personally is when I go picnic, what do I do with my grit? I personally then take it. I have the second item is my number 1 stainless steel grit cleaner. I would spray it on properly, and then what I will do after I've sprayed it, now I will put it into my bag. Now let's say, as I said, you're going to go from A to B. So when you get to your next destination, what's going to happen is your grit inside is obviously now going to sweat with your number 1 stainless steel grit cleaner, and by the time you get home you have 1 or 2 options. What I would suggest is fill it up with hot water. It's even just going to make it much easier for you to clean then, or to rinse off once that's done. If you don't want to do it, you can just take it out and then just rinse it properly. That's your choice. The other thing, if you're at home, you've done drying, the same principle is going to be the same as what you would do if you go on picnic. The difference is now I'm just going to fill it up with water first, then spray my grit, and then put it in here. But now let's say I've got something very special for let's say you are sitting with other items, perhaps not grit wise, but you have a bright tongue, or you have a knife and fork, or whatever. Then what I would suggest, this is my Nick Bry bomb. It's very unique in the right that you fill it up with hot tap water, very hot tap water, then put whatever you want to put in there. Drop this, it's a once off, and it will clean whatever you have in there. The other thing, if you need more of these, it's very simple. On Takealot you'll see there is a packet of 10 that I advertise in case you need, and you find this useful.